Garage. We're glad to have you with us today. Today we're going to show you an affordable way to make your truck a lot more usable. And as an example here, I'm using my personal vehicle, a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 3.7 liter with a 6-speed. Today we're going to upgrade the center console. Come check it out. I got it for 11 bucks at the junkyard. So, you got a little storage here. Yeah, look, we got some free stuff. Who doesn't like free stuff these days? Yeah, and it's got cloth right here. This probably would have been like a $100, $200 option from the factory, but your boy here got it for 11 bucks. We're going to show you how it's installed. Come on. Okay, so all the tools you're going to need are down here. So basically, a bunch of wrenches. Ratchets would help, but wrenches would work for now. Okay, so the first step is to loosen these bolts right here. Yeah, and these are 18 millimeter. Loosen these bolts, and there are ones on the other side like it. Let's do it. And now on to the other side. Okay, now onto the front ones, and these are 15 millimeter. Okay, so we're calling in a professional to do it. We're going to pay him like 5 cents an hour, so what is he going to do it for free? Yeah, you got to unplug the cable, that's all. Alright. Okay, so you need a 13 millimeter to take these off to remove the center console completely. Okay, so since we're down here, I would really prefer to clean this all up since you're not going to get back here again anyway. So let's get that straightened up. Now we got these things fully assembled, we're going to put them in the truck. Alright guys, now here's how you get a factory option for only 11 bucks and do it yourself instead of having to go to the dealer and have him install it for you for over $500. So you got to save your money right there, and you got yourself a nice little option. If you liked the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe for more content. I'll see you later.